Now question number 28. A test for detection of a particular disease is not foolproof. The test will correctly detect the disease 90% of the time, but will incorrectly detect the disease 1% of the time. For a large population of which an estimated 0.2% have the disease, a person is selected at random, given the test and told that he has disease. What are the chances that the person actually has the disease? Let even be the event has disease. E2 be the event. Does not have disease. And E be the event that test shows he has the disease. No. We have to find the probability given the test told that he has the disease. Means test shows that he has the disease. What are the chances that the person actually has the disease? Means we have to find even by E. Even is the event that the person has disease. Person actually has the disease means test shows that he has the disease and he also has the disease. No, probability of probability of even event that the person has disease. For a large population of which an estimated 0.2% have the disease, means a person has the disease is 0.2% or 0.2 by 100. Now probability of E2. A person has the disease is 0.2%, then 0.98% population does not have 98 no 0.2% has the disease means 99.8% population does not have the disease, and we can write it 99.8 by 100. No. E by even. E by even means even the person has the disease and test also shows that he has the disease, means test result is positive. The test will correctly detect the disease 90%. means E by E1 is 90%, means 90 by 100. E by E2 means the person does not have disease, but test result shows that he has the disease, means but will incorrectly detect the disease 1%, means he has not disease but test result shows positive, means its probability is 1 by 100, 1%. 1% means 1 by 100. Now put this value in the given equation. We have probability of E1 is 0.2 by 100 plus into probability of E by E1 90 by 100 0.2 by 100 into 90 by 100 plus 99.8 by 100 into 1 by 100. Now take 1 by 100 into 100 common and cancel. We have 0.2 into 90 by 0.2 into 90 plus 99.8. It is 18 and 18 plus 99.8 no 18 by 1178 means 180 by 1178 and it is required probability.